Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Hope everybody's doing okay today. I'm just making this quick little video to tell you all that yes, I did. Hello, look at me in the house. I finished my angel finally. I just haven't had a chance to show you all yet. So I got my wings on. Now I did, it's a little bit of a messy job. But see, I was gonna give this on I had to hurry up and give this on Sunday, the other day. Anyway, it didn't end up happening, so I still have it with me, so I could have tried to find. But that's okay. It's still beautiful. So I'll link in the description box below the tutorial I followed for the wings. Now, actually, I ran out of this here color yarn. I'm using the NACO from Mary Maxim. It's the Mona Lisa yarn. I'm not even gonna bother showing you the label because it's gonna be backwards in my videos, as they all are. But this is, I did a video unboxing of Mary Maxim. And if I remember, I'll put the link up here or there, wherever it goes. Anyway, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh yeah, so what I was saying, I ran out of this color of the yarn for the wing, and I think I was on my very last round of it. But you know what? I fudged it. It works. These need to be flattened out a bit. And you can't tell that they are not the same size. Well, maybe you can, little Mr. and Mrs. Expert Eyes out there. This one I did a little funky. I don't know what happened there. I did a little bumpy wumpy thing, and I don't know. I guess my stitch was a little too loose there. But in the scheme of things, you cannot really tell that these wings are not the same size. Lovely, so it's finished. I will link everything below. I've done a few videos on this part of it. This is a Lovey that I did, and I changed up. It was originally, I think, a bear Lovey. So I didn't do the eyes. I did my own, look at me, I'm so fancy now, did my own little dressy design at the bottom. And then I put on the angel wings. And this is to go with the set. The baby was born, oh boy, it's probably 3 months old now. and then I made, do you remember I first had made this blanket? So I made this blanket, and this is the Bag a Day New Kid on the Block tutorial that I followed when Therese got me hooked on making these New Kid on the Block blankets. Therese had done so many of them, and hers were so beautiful. I kept seeing her posting them, so I had to have them on my hook. So I made a bunch of these. I've done a couple of videos. I've made, I think, this is my third one. Yeah. So I think this is a lovely little set. Oh, beautiful. And yeah, I don't know if I told you guys how long I procrastinated on making the sleepy eyes. I think I did a video. How long I procrastinated over making the sleepy eyes. Should have just did it. Anyway, Lisa gets a little anxiety and thinking, oh, I can't do this. I can't do this. And especially if it's on amigurumi, then I'm fearful that I'm going to make a huge mistake. And then I'm going to have to rip it out. And but it's simple. Here I am thinking, oh, I'm going to make a big mistake, and I'm going to be ripping it out, and I'm going to be making a mess. No. I got to learn to calm down and not get so nervous about things. Yeah, so you can't really, and actually, like Steven said, well, the green that I used to sew the wings on are the same color. What I did was I took both, because you make two wings, you make one. And then I took them and I had them in my lap and I sewed them together. And then I attempted a little sew on. It would blend better if it was the same color, but oh well. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it so much. So yeah, like I said, if I remember, if not, please yell at me, or it may take me a while to find the tutorials and link them in the description box below, but eventually it'll get put on. But what do y'all think? These were the colors for the nursery. The reason I'm using this is because I asked the girl, what colors are you using in your nursery? And she said, sage green, cream. So there you go. Yeah, I think this Naco is anti-pilling. Oh, yeah, I think it's called sage green. So yeah. So I got to wrap that up and finally gift it to her. But that'll make a lovely little gift set, I believe. Yeah, very proud of myself. Very proud. Let me see. Oh, so precious. Isn't it? So precious. Yeah. Precious, precious. Oh, where's your eyes? Not showing your eyes. There, little sleeping angel. The tutorial, like I said, once I put the tutorial, you'll go, that's not a sleeping angel. No, the tutorial I followed was for a bear Lovey or something like that. But I switched it up because I'm getting all fancy like that. Look at me growing, guys. Wow, you proud? Okay, beautiful, eh? I know I'm bragging. I keep bragging, but that's all right. Let us brag. Yeah, I know. I haven't folded it properly. You get the picture. Okay, thanks everybody. Have a good day. Yeah. Stay safe out there. Lots of snow. Okay, bye.